I'm Jay here. This is my wife, Area.
Wow.
Hello.
Yeah. So, myself, I'm actually with ERA Real Estate.
ERA 的
yes.
agent。
That's
那
right.
请问你在 ERA 多久了呢？
It's been 12 years.
12 years。
12 years since I started in 2010. Yeah.
So now what is your post down there? What is your
Currently, I'm a Senior Division Director.
Senior
inside
Division
ERA
Director.
Realty, yes.
So Jay, because I understand, right, most of the homeowner before they buy a landed, right, they have a lot of worry, ma. So may I know what is your worry before you bought this landed? Yeah.
Okay, Wilson, there's basically a lot of worries because basically before I bought this plot of land, it's basically a single-storey terrace house. So I'm trying to do a lot of imagination, okay? And because you guys tell me, hey, we can possibly do up to 5,000 GFA. I must say this decision has to be thanks to you.
Oh really? Wow,
Yes,
what happened?
yes,
What happened? I never asked you buy leh.
Because before I made the decision, you guys give me the answers I need, the confidence, and all this information without commitment. So this is not something I like about,
Rest and relax.
Rest and Relax.
So what made you give the final call?
Remember we went to Wilson House?
去我的家哈，我说你偷偷看了，你看什么？
当然要看的嘛，要看一下 workmanship 好不好？因为你们用自己的 team 嘛，对吗？这样我们也是要看一下，哇，做得很好，对吗？workmanship 好，然后你的 space planning，哇 high ceiling， 你看，对。
That's why you got this high ceiling concept.
Yes, that's why you see. 有超一些这边一点那边这样啦，对不对？
所以我觉得before 你 build 一个 house 真的要去多看看
对。
所以老婆我想知道一下你比较喜欢这整个屋子你最喜欢什么地方呢？
这个不用讲的，一定是我的 master bedroom。
master bedroom。
对呀，master bedroom 那边又很大，然后又有一个 walk-in closet。哇。对，然后还有一个梦寐以求的那个 display cabinet。哇！
你孩子喜欢他的房间吗？
喜欢，就是那个 space 其实很够大，然后3个小孩都可以一起睡。然后旁边还有一个他们的 playroom。So playroom 里面也是有就是很多一些他们的小玩具，然后刚好就是在房间的旁边，所以他们每次都可以过去那边玩。
那还是问一下老公说老公想知道一下你这间屋子你最满意的是什么地方呢？
Well, I think there's many places I like about the house. I think the feel will be definitely my entertainment room on my mezzanine level. So that is where I actually can spend good time with my family because the space was specially curated with all the sound system done up by, of course, by my father. My father he's a big fan of karaoke. So I grew up listening to him singing, and I also like people gathering together and see their laughter. So I think that's a very good spot where we can contain everyone together in that compact room without so much lighting. It can be a double up as an entertainment, like a movie room and even a mahjong room. I think, of course, as importantly, that will be my man's cave, come office, which is all the way to my attic. So that is a space that I feel I'm really away from all my kids. I'm really on the top of the house. Nobody can disturb me. Thanks to Rest and Relax, I think we have a very nice design of my display cabinet to display all my achievements. So whenever I step into the room, I will see all my awards and my achievements. That will really motivate me again on why I started this journey to work so hard. Then coming lastly but not least, definitely the most important space of the whole house, my living room. So as you all know, I'm a property agent. I've been in the line for 12 years. I've seen many landed homes, even condos, HDBs. So I know, and after seeing so many houses, I know what I wanted. For inter-terrace, there is always this challenge of having insufficient lighting and then the cross ventilation will not be there. So after seeing Wilson's house, I think the high ceiling plays a very important part. All right, so this is the space with a double volume, almost 6 meters, and we have a lot of natural light coming into the house. So I feel this is really the most exciting part of the house, where my guests will be the first one to see.
So basically, this is the land size of 1,700 and roughly 5,000 built up with 8 bedrooms and 1 mezzanine. So to all buyers outside, it's important to understand the detail before you give an offer. So to look for Wilson from Rezt+Relax.
Wilson，不要讲这么多了，进来让人家看一下
Rezt+Relax
的 boss，Wilson。
Hello， 我就是 Wilson， 没有，我有 camera shy 嘛。So once again, I want to thank my friend and also owner of this house that actually believe in Rezt+Relax rebuild team, so that we can actually finish this whole journey very smoothly. So once again, thanks to both of them who trust us.
谢谢你，谢谢你。
Thank you, Wilson.
Thank you.